All right. My first Westinghouse triangle button. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Don't press it. I want to press it. I want to press it. Yo. That's so cool. All right, cool. Let's ride it. First. Look how high up these are, Jesus. This is Selectomatic for 6 floors, damn. Yo, triangle button. Oh, there goes the other car.
Oh yeah, that probably might be going down to 1.
Yo, it works here. Oh, look at the bumpers. Yo. All right. Let's send. Whoa. What the fuck?
This is sticking out more. You can even see the fluorescent thing inside.
Oh yeah, you can see the incandescent bulb. I want to send this so I can get a photo of the button now. There's the giant ass clock. I remember seeing it in the video. If it ever closes. Where's the impatient Westy closing when you need it?
There we go.
All right.
Go to another floor.
All right. Let's take the stairway up. Guess I gotta get a photo of that. What the fuck? All right, that's it.